Do I have any crypto trading lovers, enthusiasts, anyone willing to learn how to do the crypto trading the right way, straight from the horse's mouth, straight from someone who has been doing this for 25 years plus? And I'm actually talking about Sean Donohoe, who is going live on the 14th, just double checking, yes, on the 14th of July. So I'll give you all of the details for that, and it is quite an exciting launch. Sean has done such masterclasses because it's not really a training course that I'll share the members area of it with you as I normally do. No, it's a live, free, actually 5 days, because you get 2 bonus days, not a webinar. It's a masterclass that will continue for 5 days, okay? And again, Sean has been doing this for 25 years, okay? Daily. He has made millions. He's probably a multi-millionaire. So the beauty of this is such that it does not require any upfront investment from you. So if you want to learn how to do the crypto training the right way from someone who's got tons of experience, this is your chance. Attend the masterclass, sign up if you're interested. If you're interested in learning how to do the crypto trading the right way, it's not some fake guru claims, not from someone who's never done like proper crypto trading in their lives, and now all of a sudden they're creating a training course about it, okay? I also love the fact that this is gonna be happening live, so it's a completely different experience, right? I will give you this analogy of a singer, an artist. The way to measure a singer's real talent is when they perform live, because in studio it all can be enhanced and faked and all of that, but when they actually perform live and they do it beautifully, they do it like God is singing through them. I see it so clearly. This is when you spot the real talent, and this is when you see the realness and the raw stuff, okay? And the beauty of it. So you will be watching Sean live. It's not like, anyhow, okay, because I feel like I am getting carried away. Guys, let me show you my written review of it. Again, it's not a members area. I'll show you around. No, because I don't have it. I did contact the JV manager of Sean, and he said, his name is Simon, I believe. And he said, like, Sylvia, I cannot give you a members area because it is happening live, so get your people signed up. So yeah, get signed up via my written review. I'll show you all how it works. I've got some amazing bonuses as well to go with this offer nicely, all around crypto and all of that. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Let me give you some details, okay, something concrete. Right. So this is Sean Donohoe. Donohoe, I believe is the name to pronounce your surname, Sean Donohoe. I'm pretty sure. Gosh, I am so rubbish with especially like some complicated to me surnames, but who cares, okay? I care about pronouncing it the right way out of the respect for the person, not that I care about being correct always, It's like we have to rise above our egos, right? English is not my first language anyway, so why should I care so much? If I was in Polish and I didn't know how to pronounce it, I would have an issue with it. Okay, so, right, this is my written review. Guys, you'll find all of the information. So, as I said, 3 days plus extra 2 bonus days of masterclass, live sessions, okay? And through these sessions, during these sessions, Sean will be giving you the full setup, even if you've never ever done crypto trading in your life, but somehow who hasn't heard of it, right? Unless you've been living under the rock, you haven't. I personally haven't been doing this because I've been just too busy doing what I am doing, affiliate marketing, plus my offline job and plus parenting and all of that. This is something I would love to get into as well. Yeah, but it has, personally, crypto has not been my thing. But I know it makes people crazy amounts of money. So I guess you need to have some kind of interest and passion for it. Or not necessarily, just get out of your comfort zone and come with the attitude, hey, I'm gonna learn something different. That's what brought me to doing what I am doing today. Before I started affiliate marketing, I didn't even know what affiliate marketing meant. I was so non-techie, crazy non-techie. I hated, technology with passion. And here I am, like 4 years down the line, rocking and rolling and all of that. So hey ho, like life is full of surprises. So get out of the comfort zone and just come with the attitude. Let me learn it. Let me try it, and put your everything into it, or at least half of your heart into it. But what do they say about doing something half-heartedly, right? I mean, if you do it, do it. Okay. Of course, as a side hustle, you can start it as a side hustle at first, and then, you can, what was my point? And then you can just, take it to another level. I sort of am lacking the right word, but anyhow. Okay, so about the vendor here, we have Sean. Now, the last time he did that, you see, he brings over 25 years of proven trading experience, crypto and business experience to the table. So guys, he's a real deal. I really like him. I listened to, no, I'm not gonna say I know a lot about him. I've done my research before shooting this review. So I've recently connected with Sean. I like him from the way he talks. He sounds very genuine and sincere and all of that. I can tell from his face that he's not faking it. He's not some, like, how do they say it? Self-announced, or what's the word? Guru, like self-proclaimed guru. He sounds like a no BS guy. So guys, through my written review, read about it. I really put all of the information together for you nicely, so you understand what he will be covering during these 5 days, all of the bonuses you will get. Okay, so first day he will be laying the foundation. Then second day will be about mastering the market of crypto trading. Day 3 will be the 30-minute coffee trade routine. So ultimately it will come down to you doing your routine of crypto trading that shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes a day. Okay, and you set up, you're done for the day. Of course, first put your focus, put your patience, put all you have into mastering it. Initially, it is gonna take you more than 30 minutes a day to learn it the right way, but later on, as it becomes automatic, that's what he does these days. It's sort of like easy peasy, Right, and then bonus day 4, you will be learning advanced tools and next steps. Bonus 5, AMA plus, it's sort of gonna be like question and answers, Q&As as well. So guys, check it out. Check out my review. Here you have all of the funnel details. I always make sure I provide you with full funnel details. Of course, with any launches, pretty much, especially especially Warrior Plus launches. I'm so hot. It's so like caliente, super hot. A proper heat wave in London. I'm just melting away. Nice. Right. So full funnel details, because with Warrior Plus launches, JVZoo launches, you don't only have the front end, hardly ever. Okay, you've got the funnel. And as long as it's not a never-ending story of upsells, I'm okay with it. Okay, as long as the upsells are to the point, helpful, beautiful. Bring it on. So front end, $19, guys. A steal of a deal, I would say, for what you're getting. 5-day training, plus you get access to Discord group. I love Discord. Replays, so you're gonna have access to the replays, action plans, and coaching included in it. To what level the coaching, I'm not too sure. I don't have more information on that. You will probably find more information on that once the sales page actually goes live. Because if I click through buy now, it's just gonna take me to the register, right? So listen to Sean, 2 minutes video. He explains what you will be guys going through with him during these 5 days. Register. There's a bonus, a chance to win 50 million numbers, $500, okay, on this live if you register before the actual product goes live. And it goes live, let me double check. So this is the pre-launch. We're in pre-launch now. You already get a chance to register. So do it now, register, and then, who knows, maybe you will, get some freebies and goodies. So it is officially going live on the 14th of July at 11 a.m. New York time and ends on the 20th, okay, midnight, right, on the 20th. So 6 days. Launch, okay, fantastic. So sign up. Again, once it goes live, this is gonna switch to the sales page. Okay, so as for the funnel, OTO number 1, Elite VIP access. The price is $47. Extended sessions, VIP and Q&A, TrendFlow workbook, toolbox, 30 days of reviews, okay, of reviews of you doing the trading. Okay, that would be very helpful, and getting the feedback. Okay, that's very good. Okay, but you can also pay in installments, 2 installments, so times 2, 27 times 2. But this one is cheaper. Of course, you save money if you pay it once, upfront. OTO number 2 in a Circle Club, 97, or there are 2 payments available as well. And this one includes the mobile accelerator, 10 times multiplier, lifetime recordings, community, elite status, unlimited email access. Okay, that's good. All right. OT number 3, the trifecta, I guess that's how you say it. Price $197, includes 2 masterclasses, yellow brick formula plus 4. I remember reviewing this one, the yellow brick formula. Okay. Replays, resources, transcripts, notes, and all of that. Right, guys. So once you set up for the front end, once you sign up, you will be presented with the upsells as always. So pick what you believe would go with what you need and want, and anything that would benefit you, pick it up. Anything you feel like, I don't need it, leave it and keep moving. Right, guys, so through my written review, again, click through buy now, and then you can register. If it's still in pre-launch, after it has gone live, you will already see the sales page, so you just click buy now and you're in. That was my AI TrendFlow Formula review, so Formula 3-day live masterclass. A review of a live masterclass, okay, and telling you what this is gonna be all about. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.